Calling all early childhood champions, it's that time of year again.
Time for you to join us at Region 13 for the Early Childhood Summer Conference. So, mark your calendars for June 16th and 17th because this is our third year, and trust us when we say this year will be bigger, brighter, and more inspiring than ever.
We're talking 2 days packed with engaging and powerful sessions led by amazing local and national early childhood presenters. This means practical strategies focused on evidence-based practices and what really works for our little learners. This year's big surprise, Clifford the Big Red Dog is joining us. That's right, there'll be hugs, high fives, and all the photo ops.
Whether you're flying solo or coming with your team in tow, we can't wait for all of you to join us as we learn, network, and cure your adultitis with a positively unforgettable experience.
We'll see you there.